Hello traders, welcome back to Triumph Trust channel. This is Emiona, and today we are going to be looking at the review of the setup for the week that just ended, and as well as looking at the analysis for the setup we are going to trade for next week, starting from 28th of March till 1st of April 2022. Right, so as I've always notified us, this analysis is not a general forex analysis. It is based on the strategy we trade on TTFX, Triumph Trust FX channel group, trading group. So please, you need to follow instruction before you take the trade. Right, so let's get started. Last week I posted on the group, because last week I didn't do a review, but I posted on the group, I posted Euro USD, but the let me get that to us. Euro USD. Okay, let me still look at the chart on Euro USD. Last week I posted this setup, but price till now has not gotten to any of the zones for us to take a buy entry. And as I explained to us, please, you must ensure that when price gets to these zones, this is the beginning of the zone. You can see the number on the 15 minutes time frame, 1.09548, and the second zone is 1.09186. So when price gets to this zone, you look for a bullish confirmation before you take your entry. If not, you ignore. Right, so I posted this last week, and till now price has not gotten to the zone. On the mentorship group, we had a setup on AUD card, which the same time I posted the Euro USD, I posted this on the mentorship group. So we're expecting that price will hit any of these zones. Then we'll look for a bearish confirmation, then we'll take our entry. So but this is what happened. So the first touch of the zone was here, and we got our confirmation. So we expected to take, okay, so we're expecting to take an entry from this zone that is marked here, from this other block, but price broke above it. This was our stop loss, and our stop loss was hit. So we're hoping that price will get to this zone and give us another entry, then we'll take a sell. And this is what happened. Price hit it, and that was it. Price dropped down from that level. So hopefully we expect that price will continue to drop to this zone and extend to this zone. So if you see a bearish confirmation and a sell setup, a sell, maybe based on your own strategy, if you see any sell setup, you can still sell to this very particular zone on the 4-hour time frame. Then every other setup I'm going to be discussing was setups that were not posted to the general Telegram group. But this week, next week, I hope to post more setup on the general group and give us instruction on how to take the entries. I'll be fully back to the market next week. So this is AUD NZD. So we saw this price grab liquidity. It forcefully took out this high and decided to start to drop. So this was the possible entry when price closed below the 13 exponential moving average, and this was how AUD NZD dropped on the 22nd of March. So this was another setup. After Asian session, we see that price came down with this force to take out this high and pull return immediately, and this was a possible entry as price closed above 13 exponential moving average, and that was how price pulled up, giving up to 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Then we also have here CAD CHF. You see this high was created and price forcefully took it out and returned, moved immediately without wasting time, and at the end price dropped massively on CAD CHF. Then we also have Euro CAD. We see this low was created, price pulled up and came back, took it out with liquidity, grab the liquidity and return immediately, and this was the entry, and this was the result. Then we'll also have this on the Euro NZD. So we see that price took out this liquidity, but didn't return immediately. But at least this gave up to 1-to-1 before price decided to continue in the downward direction. So we also had this on Friday on Euro NZD. You can see the impulsive grab of liquidity here, and price returned immediately. Then this was a possible entry as price closed below 13 exponential moving average, and this was the result, giving us 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio on Euro NZD. Same thing happened on GBP AUD. You see the forceful grab of liquidity and price return reversing immediately. This was a possible entry, and this was the result on GBP AUD. So those are the setup. I think I still have more. Let me see. Okay, so those were the setup for this week that just ended, right? So as the setup will be coming, I think, as I said, I will give more. I'll be posting at least one setup per day for this new week on the general Telegram group, so you can follow us up. If you want to join the group, the link to the general Telegram group is on the description of this video below. Then if you want to join the mentorship group, you can contact me to join the mentorship group. So let's look at the setup we have for this week that are ready for us to trade if our rules are met. So I've already talked about the Euro USD, so we're hoping to take a buy from these zones if we see a bullish confirmation. We're also going to be looking at USD CHF on the 4-hour time frame. So USD CHF, we have this, you can see that price is on the downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm expecting that as price drop with a positive move here, pull back up, drop and broke this, taking out these lows, I'm expecting that price will go back to this zone or this one. We'll look for a bearish confirmation, then we'll take an entry. So on the 15-minute time frame, when price get to this zone, we'll look for a bearish confirmation, then we'll take a sell. That is only when price get to the zone. If we don't have a bearish confirmation, we'll wait for price to hit this one. Any of them that give us the setup, then we take a sell entry. So those are the two setups we are looking at now that are ready for us to look at the USD CHF and the Euro USD for this new week. So guys, I wish you a very prosperous and profitable week as we enter the new week, and thank you so much for your support so far on this channel. Thank you for the likes, for the comments, and for your contribution so far. So let's keep watching TTFS channel, Triumph FX channel, and please do well to like this video. If you like this video, it will be available for so many people to actually watch it as well. So subscribe to this our channel if you have not done that. Turn on the notification bell, and then you'll be alerted anytime we post a new video. All right, thank you and God bless.